Hi, I'm Rhea, and I just wanted to take a moment to personally thank everyone who has been watching and supporting RheaL Talk. When we started this channel, our goal wasn't simply to make videos. We wanted to create a place where people could have honest conversations about life, relationships, personal growth, current issues, and the experiences that shape us. Every episode is created with the hope that someone watching will learn something new, feel encouraged, or see a different perspective. If you've enjoyed our conversations, the best way you can support us is by subscribing to the channel. It does not cost anything, but it helps YouTube introduce these conversations to more people who may also find them valuable. And if an episode speaks to you, consider sharing it with someone who might need to hear it. We'd also love to hear from you. Leave a comment and tell us what topics you'd like us to explore in future episodes. Thank you for being part of this journey with us. We truly appreciate every view, every comment, every share, and every subscription. We'll see you in the next episode of RheaL Talk.